So what is a reducing sugar exactly? Well, it's something that will turn Benedict's reagent from blue to red-brown. It's a group of sugars. Normally they are monosaccharides. What I mean by that is monomers, single sugar units that exist as one molecule. An example would be glucose. Another example might be fructose. These are both reducing sugars, they're both monosaccharides. Some disaccharides also act as reducing sugars. In other words, when you put them with Benedict's reagent, they'll turn it from blue to red-brown. They are lactose and maltose. If you put sucrose, which is also a disaccharide, sucrose is your common tabletop sugar. If you put that with Benedict's reagent, it will not turn it from blue to red-brown. It is not a reducing sugar. So all monosaccharides are reducing sugars. Some disaccharides are reducing sugars, but not all.